Good afternoon to all. Today our chapter is ratio proportion from the book ML Agarwal, exercise 9A for class 10. The book name is R.S. Agarwal, exercise 9A for class 10. Chapter name is ratio and proportion. See, I am doing some important question from here. Question number 12. If A is to B equal to C is to D, it is given so that there are four parts are there. Let me solve one by one. It is given A by B is equal to C by D. It is given. Just to see. Math chapter ratio proportion from the book R.S. Agarwal, exercise 9A. First of all, write what is given in this question. A by B is equal to C by D. That means you have to take A by B is equal to C by D as K. A equal to BK, C is equal to DK. Now, your left hand side is A plus B by C plus D. Just write left hand side. Putting A is equal to BK, C is equal to DK, and taking B common and D common, this will be K plus 1 cancel, B by D left. Next you write right hand side. What is the right hand side? 2A square plus 7B square root over 2C square plus 7D square root over. Just copy it, left hand right hand side. Putting A is equal to BK means A square means B square K square plus 7B square. Downside C square means D square K square, taking B square common 2K square plus 7. Here also D square common, taking D square common 2K square plus 7. Okay. Now this 2K square plus 7, 2K square plus 7 cancel, B square by D square root over will give you B by D. This is nothing but left hand side, which is equal to left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this way, question number 12 first part completed. Let us take question number 12 second part question. Question number 12 second part. Already I have solved. Let me explain. You have to prove m a square plus n c square by mb square plus nd square equal to a to the power 4 plus e to the power 4 root over by b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4 root over. First of all, you have to write left hand side m a square plus nc square by mb square plus nd square. Putting a is equal to bk and c is equal to dk. After that, taking common k square, what is left that you write here mb square by nd square by mb square plus nd square. Now this will be cancel out. What left? K square. Same process proceed right hand side. Your right hand side is a to the power 4 plus a to the power 4 root over by b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4 root over. Putting a as bk, that will be b to the power 4 k to the power 4 and c as dk, means d to the power 4 k to the 4. Taking k to the 4 common, if it go outside of root over, that will be k square. What is left inside the root over? b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4. And denominator also same thing, it will be cancel out. What is left? K square. In this way, second part also proved. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Let us go next part, that is third part of this number 12. Number third part question give me to prove a square plus ab plus b square by a square minus ab plus b square is equal to c square plus cd plus d square by c square minus cd plus d square. First of all, you have to copy left hand side. What is written here? After that, put a equal to bk. Putting a equal to bk, what you are getting? And taking common b square. Denominator also same thing. Take b square common. Now b square cancel out. What is left? K square plus k plus 1 by k square minus k plus 1. This is your left hand side. Next come to right hand side. Right hand side question given c square plus cd plus d square by c square minus cd plus d square. Putting c is equal to dk, since c is equal to dk. Okay, d square k square, taking d square common, denominator also taking d square common, d square cancel. What is that? K square plus k plus 1 by k square minus k plus 1. This is in this way the third part also completed. Let us go one more. Fourth part question given a plus c whole cube by b plus d whole cube is equal to a whole into a minus c whole square by b minus d whole square. Now do one thing here. Putting a is equal to bk and c is equal to dk and taking k common, that will be k cube. If you will go out of the cube, k cube b plus d whole cube by b plus d whole. This part will be cancelled out. Left k cube. This is left hand side. Next write right hand side. A whole into a minus c whole square by b whole into b minus d whole square. Putting a is equal to bk and c is equal to dk. What you are getting, just to see here. Taking k common here, it will be k square k cube. Finally getting b minus d whole square by b minus d whole square, and this is k cube. This cancel out. Your left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this was the fourth part of number 12 from the book R.S. Agarwal, exercise 9A. All the parts of number 12 completed. Let us go one more. Next question I am taking number 7. See, if x minus 2, x plus 2, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 19 are in proportion, find the value of x. See, there are 4 terms are there, their proportion given, and you have to find out the value of x. Just see, question number 7. Same exercise, exercise 9A. It is given, what is given? X minus 2, x plus 2, 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 19. 2x plus 19 are in proportion. Are in proportion. It is given. Therefore, first number by second number is equal to third number by fourth number, that is 2x plus 19. After that, as it is proportional given, first by second equal to third by fourth. A by b is equal to c by d. By cross multiplication, x minus 2 whole into 2x plus 19, and this is equal to 2x plus 1 whole into x plus 2. Just you have to open the bracket. It will be 2x square plus 19x minus 4x minus 38 is equal to 2x square plus 4x, just normal opening the bracket, plus x and plus 2. Now this 2x square will be cancel out. 19x minus 4x, that will be 15x minus 38, and this side 4x plus x, that is 5x plus 2. Now 15x minus 5x, it will give you 2 plus 38. 15x minus 5x is how much? 10x. 10x equal to 40. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 40 divided by 10 is giving 4. Therefore, what is the answer? X is equal to 4. I hope it is clear for you. There are 4 numbers are given. They are proportional. Means first number by second number equal to third number, fourth number by cross multiplication, and after opening the bracket. I hope it is clear for you, and finding the value of x, that x is equal to 4. Thank you for today's class.